visita hari väntar, nu spela lite Dota.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about some interesting features of Xiaomi's latest phone, Black Shark. So let's get started. As expected, Xiaomi has launched Black Shark, a new gaming smartphone in China. The Black Shark gaming smartphone has been launched in two variants, 64GB variant with 6GB RAM priced at 31,200 approximately, and a 128GB variant with 8GB RAM priced at 36,300 rupees. As mentioned, the smartphone will be up for orders in China. The overall curvy design of the smartphone is in line with the earlier teasers, but with the smartphone aimed at gamers, there are a couple of features to enhance the overall playing experience. There is a dedicated one-touch shark key, plus a fingerprint sensor that can give quick access to features like silent mode and D&D when gaming. The company has also announced a gamepad that can be attached to the side of the phone. It uses Bluetooth 4.0 for communication and features a 150 mAh battery that is good enough to last up to 30 hours on a single charge. The gamepad will need to be purchased separately and it is priced 1,860 rupees approximately. The smartphone is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 paired with up to 8GB of RAM. While performance shouldn't be a problem at all, there is the fear of the device getting heated during long hours of gaming. With that in mind, the smartphone features a liquid cooling system that can reduce the CPU core temperature by up to 8 degrees. Also enhancing the gaming performance is a dedicated image processing chip for Pixelworks. This chip offers intelligent motion compensation technology, image enhancements, dark scene detail processing for smooth video quality when gaming. The company has also opted for what it calls X-style antenna design, which ensures that there are no signal issues when holding the phone in landscape or vertical orientation. As far as specifications are concerned, Black Shark gaming smartphone flaunts a 5.99-inch display with Full HD resolution, 18:9 aspect ratio and up to 550 nits brightness. For photography, the smartphone is equipped with a dual camera setup at the back. This setup includes a 12-megapixel primary sensor with f1.75 aperture and a 20-megapixel secondary sensor with f1.75 aperture. Up front is a 20-megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. For security, there is a fingerprint sensor and the device is backed by a 4000 mAh battery with Quick Charge 3.0 support. Connectivity options include dual SIM card slots, 4G LTE support, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC dual band, Bluetooth V5.0, GPS and USB Type-C ports. On the software front, the gaming smartphone runs Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. So these are all the interesting features of the Xiaomi's latest phone, Black Shark. So I hope this video was useful for you. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tech videos. So let's see in another video. Till then, bye.